Hello. So I am going to be doing the craziest pie that I think I've seen. I found this on Johnny Nani. He's a person I follow on Facebook. And I saw this, so I think I'm gonna give it a try. Probably some of the easiest thing, but also the craziest. So what we're gonna do is get your pie crust, and this is just regular pie crust. And we're gonna put 1.5 cups water into the pie. We have 1/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and I'm just going to mix this around. Kind of sift the flour. Mix this. And then I'm just going to pour this into the pie, or the water. And don't overflow. I feel like it's gonna overflow. Okay. And you're just gonna let this sit. You're not gonna mix it. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I do not know how this is gonna taste. And then we add 5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just gonna randomly put this in. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in the oven on 400 for 45 minutes. And that's all the ingredients. So I will be back when it gets ready. Okay, so I wish I had smell-o-vision, because whatever is cooking in that stove is actually smelling really good. So I'm gonna be very surprised if this actually turns out. I am so excited for this pie. It smells really good. So I'm really hoping that it's gonna turn out good. So I have just a few more minutes until that is finished in there. And then I am going to, or a few more minutes, gosh. A few more seconds, and then it is going to come out, and I'm going to show you how it looks. This water pie, I don't know what's going on with it. It was very wobbly, and it had a lot of butter on the top. So what I actually ended up doing, I'm going to grab it from the fridge. As you can see, it's still a little wobbly, still a little jiggly. So what I actually did was I kind of patted the extra butter that was kind of seeped up from the top on the pie top, and I just seeped that up with a paper towel. And now I'm actually putting it in the refrigerator to see if that will kind of solidify or harden the pie itself. Hopefully it does, because otherwise it's just a soupy mess. I don't know how this is gonna taste. See it? Still kind of, I don't know. It's like Jell-O. It's like Jell-O. So, let's see. I'm just gonna give this thing a try and just go from there. Yeah, this does not look promising at all. At least it's stuck together. So that's what it looks like. However, I feel like it's melting right now. Oh, yeah. So this water pie, I don't know. I don't know. Don't know what to think. It's kind of good, actually. Would I make this again? Probably not. Should you make it and try it? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's just very interesting. So, if you want to try this water pie, I will put the recipe down below. You let me know if you have and how it comes out. And, you know, see what you think about it. I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, I guess that's it for me. So yeah, if you guys have any other weird recipes, I'd love to try them out. I would definitely be your guinea pig. So let me know below. And with that, I think I'm going to be out for the day. I will talk to you guys later and hope you guys had a good time watching this video. Bye.